Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. This is another video of calendar business object. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if the date that we are passing that is weekend or not. It means, let's say weekend means working days and weekends. It means Monday to Friday is working days and 16 and 17 is weekends. So if we'll pass 16 today's date, so how can we check and we can get 16 as a weekend? For that, let me delete this and take action stage, double click on that, select calendar because we are going to work with the dates, calendars, and select is weekend. It means we are going to check that a specific date is weekend or not. So we are also going to work on the specific calendar only, USA, because in the some calendar we have Saturday as a working days, not weekend. Somewhere we have weekend. So I am going to write here today. I want to check is today date is weekend or not. Okay, so again we will be getting as a flag is weekend true or false. Okay, now link this, refresh that, right click, set next stage, and now we are getting true because today's date, that is 16, is weekend, right? Weekend. Only the week is 11 to 15 and this is end of this weekend, right? So this is showing true. Now if we'll write here 18, we'll be getting false. Let me show you this example also. So I'm going to write here 18 2021, click OK, reset, right click, set next stage, and this is showing false because this is not weekend, this is working days, but actually we have marked this as a other holiday, so this is not weekend. Okay, so by this way you can work with the weekend, you can check is the specific date is weekend or not. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video.